Got you with that do-do-do-do-do. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hello everyone, welcome back, and today I'm going to be reviewing store-bought slimes and putty. So yeah, let's get started. So we're gonna review store-bought putty, only store-bought putty. So first slime I have is, this is actually a noise putty, Flarp noise putty. And let's open it. And this is what it looks like inside. It is orange. Here's what it is. We're going to see. Okay, so guys, so it doesn't stretch. Wow. Okay. This is the Flarp noise. This is kind of old, but you know, it was good. I do think that lotion, but it's still bad. See, it won't stretch. Even if I do slowly. Try it. And see the poking consistency here. It's big, poking consistency. Not the best. So it looks like a grossness chunk of like meat, raw meat or something, you know? Like, and then put it in the oven. Ew. It looks like chunky fat. Like, you know, it looks like chunky human fat, you know? But it does fart good, or more like fart. Next slime is Nickelodeon slime. And this looks super gooey. This is red orange slime. Okay, so it looks like it's in like a square, and you can have some like a bubble. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh, this is super duper stretchy. Just roll it. And guys, look at this, guys. Love it. Ah. It's awesome for bubble pops and for poking. So you guys, I had this for like come on. This is amazing. Yeah. Wow. Okay guys, let's stretch it. This is super duper awesome slime. I'm gonna show my favorite at the end. Not the best for flarping. This one's meant for flarping, and this one on the other hand is a slime. Okay, the next one we have is this from Target. This $1 Easter putty. It's a chicken here. And let's open it. It's in an egg shape right here. Take it out. There's a bubble. And oh goodness. Okay. So here it's yellow and it's sparkly. It's the clear, see-through, clear putty. And you can see like a little bit through it, you know. It's okay for popping, but I'm going to try it if I can stretch. Okay, it stretches good, so for $1 dollar section at Target, this is pretty good putty. But it does rip, so yeah, it's like it rips super duper easy, by the way, see? So yeah, put this away into the capsule here. Okay, and need to see the shout out in the video, so it's hard. Okay, so we have another $1 putty from Target, and this is the carrot orange putty. Has a cute carrot, and it has a bubble. This one is more rippable. It's not as stretchable, as you can see. It easily rips, and it have like, yeah, and it smells more rubbery, but it kind of smells like cherries now. It's sort of okay at popping. As you can tell, the ripping contents with the bubbles is not the best. And by the way, this is like Jello. This really rips. It's not the best putty, but it's good, I guess. Okay, so next putty we have is this cotton candy ice cream slime, cloud slime, I believe it is. And this is from the moms. Get this out. So it's just soft but hard at the same time. Like, it is super cool and it's really not soft and squishy. I love it a lot. You know, it's like really amazing, guys. Take a look at that. It looks like a spider web cotton candy, like a spider web made out of cotton candy, you know. And it smells like cotton candy fresh from the swirler, you know. Like they swirl onto the thing, and you're like, I'm gonna eat it. It's really nice and soft, like really duper soft. Look at that. Like, no bubbles, no pokesy. Oh yeah, bubble pops. But it's, I think it's just, it's like a hard cloud slime. You added too much activator to the cloud slime. It's, nice. I like the container. Nice consistency. I like the container. It's pretty cute. Okay, so the next one we have, okay. The next one we have is this Guava Juice Marshmallow Fluffy Chick Slime. So this is, okay, so all of these are from Target. One of them is from Party City. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's open this, and it's marshmallow, fluffy marshmallow chick slime, one scented slime. So there's one scented slime in here, and it's the same container. It's super cute. Guava Toys, it says on here, slime time. So here's what it looks like. Okay. The poke is super good. Ooh, gross. I did add, like, I've been putting this in this, and yeah. It's hard to get out of the container, and it smells like strong. It smells like really strong pineapple fruity duty, and it's good for poking, but it rips super easy. It has little ducks in it. There's 3 ducks. It's not the best. It's not the best slime. Guava Juice. You are so, like, like, evil. Nah, he's not evil. I don't know. But whatever. It's, don't buy his slimes, guys. I mean, you can, but, it's kind of gross and mushy and squishy and stinky. I wonder what the gross lunch food pack is like for these things. I bet they're super duper strong. The last 3 slimes it comes in one. It's a Num Noms Silly Shakes container. And there's 3 slimes in here. There's one sprinkle slime, regular slime, and crunchy slime. So let's look at the sprinkle slime. Okay, hold on. Let me look at this is the regular slime, and it's like an orange tan. Okay, here it is in a container. Let's remove it. Okay. There's still some yellow. Okay, it's metallic slime, guys. It's super duper cool and really has a pretty consistency, guys. Very nice and very pretty, guys. Look at this slime. It is super duper nice. Look at that. Look at that. And it smells like vanilla. It smells really good and good for bubble pops and poking. It is super nice. I absolutely love Num Nom slime. It's like one of the best slimes. It's like homemade slime. And like maybe a guava juice. Okay. So next one we have is our sprinkle slime. This is one of my favorites. Now this one is pink with sprinkles, rainbow sprinkles. Now it's super pretty. It looks like rainbow cupcake frosting. Look at it. How pretty is the consistency with all the sprinkles in it. It looks Super pretty, guys. And good popping. And good bubbles. Good stretching consistencies. Yeah. And super duper pretty with all those sprinkles. It's super cute. Super pretty. Super glossy. And it smells like vanilla cupcake. The last one we have is our crunchy slime. This is the last time of our day. So we have this crunchy slime. Has beads in it. I love it. The beads kind of fall out. It's annoying. Look at the beads. My favorite slime was the sprinkle slime, and yeah, so bye.